Helping people on the internet has changed. 10 years ago, you made a simple course. Today, courses have evolved to include student communities and event schedules. With so many different systems, students forget their logins, they get distracted or advertised to on Facebook, and it's impossible to get everybody on the same page and in sync. If only there was a way to put the course, community, and event schedule in one place. Introducing Skool. Skool puts your community, course, and event schedule together in one place with one login and one unified search. Plus, we gamify it to make things engaging and fun. Students earn points by adding value to others. As they gain points, they level up, and the top students get shown on the leaderboards. Skool has everything you need and nothing you don't. You can post, like, comment, attach files, videos, and polls. You can send DMs, get notifications in-app and via email. Plus it has rich user profiles with activity charts, contributions, course progress, bios, and more. With one search, you can find posts and comments, course content, and members. Admins can email broadcast all their students with a click. You can switch between your different groups rapidly, like this, all in one place with one login and one powerful search. It's simple, fast, user-friendly, and setting it up takes minutes. Join our Skool community to try it for yourself. It's free to be a member. If you like what you see, you can create your own group with a 14-day free trial. Click the sign up button to get started. We'll see you inside.